probably view ourselves. Oh jeez.
We should probably.
How do you?
You gotta click the little thingy. Oh my gosh, it's there. Hi. Okay, we don't know how to work the video thingy.
Alright, so
we're gonna go like.
you can
Can you
see
see us?
I don't even know. Okay,
No.
that's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Alright, yeah, let's do this. So we don't have to make another one. It'd be really weird.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Look at this cool bench, guys.
Yeah, like. Check it out.
It's that pretty. Ready? Check it out. Oh, isn't she pretty? Don't lose anything. Okay, so there's a tree over there, and we should go down there.
Yeah,
it'll be fun. All right. Show the view. Okay.
How pretty, guys.
Let's march. Quadrant. Okay. Hey, I'm videoing us now.
Okay, we're on the beach.
We're on the beach, and it's
It sure doesn't feel like we're on the beach though,
Yeah, because it's like-
it's not like 80 degrees here,
yeah,
obviously.
but it's sandy.
It's sandy, and there's
Sandy.
water,
Like SpongeBob.
and there's apparently boats out there. I don't know why in the world you'd be out there, but they
But
are.
it's actually pretty fun to like go on the little waves.
Yeah, like,
But
woo.
yeah. Woo,
Yeah.
woo, woo, sand. I don't want to get sand in my shoes because I'm not taking my shoes off.
Neither do
Then
I.
I'll get like sand in my socks. Woo. My brother was sitting on this pile yesterday.
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
Hey, you have the video only on you.
Oh, you're not over here. I want to show you what my brother made yesterday, and it's still here. See, he was sitting like, I don't care about a little bit. He was sitting on that bump thing, like that, and then he made this tunnel thingy. It looked way cooler the other day, but now it's like full of leaves and ickiness, and I can't see it. Okay, there it is. Okay, see a little tunnel? Right. I can't. Okay, so there's a little tunnel thing, and then it leaves a little water. See it? Waterness. Yeah, it was full before anyways. Yeah. So, oh, this rock, my brother threw that in there because there was this girl that had this board, and she was like on her knees and like using a paddle, and then she like gave my brothers a ride, and then she ran into it, and he's like and like threw the rock like out of her way. So that was good, you know. I bet we look stupid to those people watching us.
Are they watching us? Yeah, people's watching us.
Yeah, there's plastic. There's plastic
okay.
on the beach.
Oh, someone
Yeah.
should pick that up. Just kidding. I'm not getting my shoes wet.
Let's pick up the litter. No, my shoes will get dirty, so I'm not going to.
See how people's spot for littering. Don't litter, not
Don't
good.
litter. Don't be a litter bug. I'm gonna laugh if we can't even see ourselves in the video.
I know. We'll just
But
like,
we'll be able to hear ourselves.
just
so
send it to me. Oh, someone was drinking here.
look at.
Someone had a party.
You see it? My shadow's in the way.
It's Grain Belt beer.
Well, there it
guys.
is.
Oh, someone's still in there.
Go and chug it. Don't throw it in the water, you retard. Okay.
Message in a bottle.
Message in a bottle. Oh, I want to try that. That's kind of interesting.
Go.
You want to go on that dock?
My message.
That dock is tipped.
What would your message
oh
be
my gosh.
if you were gonna put a message in a bottle?
Oh yeah, that should be good comments, right?
Yeah. So tell us what your message would be if you were gonna put message in a bottle.
And then
we
we'll
actually did not plan this either.
Well,
It just kinda came
yeah,
off.
it just came up. Yeah, we yeah. Anyways, we'll actually like I don't know, that'd be kind of cool.
We'll
if we,
share 'em.
if
We'll
we,
share 'em
if
with
we,
everyone.
Like, if we like wrote down your messages and actually put them in the bottle.
Yeah, and we'll
That bottle's not gonna be here when we come back though.
yeah, like we'll have our own bottles though. But
We'll
like,
share. Here, look
send
at
us
the
a message. Oh, look at boat.
Can you see it?
Look at boat.
I don't want to feel like a creeper. Okay. Anyways,
So send us your message.
send us
what
your
you would put.
message and then we'll share it. We'll, like,
Anonymously or not. And we'll share it, we'll put it in a bottle, and we'll send it out on the thing.
yeah,
And
we
we'll have a
won't.
video of it.
We won't like we'll take a video of us like putting the bottle like in the water.
We'll like tell all
And then
like,
the
little
cops are
things.
gonna come and be like, you litter bugs. We'll be like, I'm sorry. Yeah, anyways.
Just like, check out our video, it makes sense now.
Check it out.
Check it out. Okay, I gotta be in this video. Yeah, so send us a little like
Yeah.
thingy, and you can have it, your name on it or not, no big deal, and we'll tell like all the cute little things people say, and we'll put them in like a bottle, and we'll send it out.
Yeah.
It'll be fun.
Yeah, it'll be great. Okay,
Hey.
we're like bye, I'm Nevaeh.
Bye.
This was our adventure part 2 in land. Now we're ending back on water.
Do you feel that?
So I feel it moving.
Yeah.
You want to see it tipped, guys? I wonder if we can
We're on this dock. and
Yeah,
it's like,
it looks